Oh my God.
Excitement among Beliebers has reached a crescendo as pop icon Justin Bieber announced his 10th May concert in Mumbai. Here are the details that you would want to know about Justin Bieber's India tour. Assuming that at least 45,000 people would attend Justin Bieber's concert in neighbouring Navi Mumbai, the police has prepared a detailed security plan which includes use of drone cameras. Over 500 police personnel and 25 officers would be deployed for security. A police control room will be set up at the venue where feed from CCTV cameras would be monitored. The entire stadium will be checked by bomb detection and disposal squad prior to the event. The hotel in which he chooses to stay will be converted into Bieber's private villa, with 3 floors of the hotel being booked for the artist and his entourage, and 1 elevator blocked on all 4 days. The singer has also requested 100 clothes hangers, can of wild berries, and vanilla room fresheners. As per the list, Bieber wants his dressing room to be entirely draped with white curtains with a large glass door refrigerator, clothing shelves, 8 power outlets and 12 white handkerchiefs. Bollywood superstar Salman Khan's bodyguard, Shera, has been roped in to handle the security for the Justin Bieber Purpose World Tour. Shera, whose real name is Gurmeet Singh Jolly, has been considered the most trusted aide of Salman for over 20 years. Informed sources say that he'll be personally monitoring the security arrangements of Justin Bieber during his stay in India later this month. In the past, he has handled the security of international actors like Will Smith, Jackie Chan, and Keanu Reeves. Bieber will be accompanied by 8 bouncers and will also have Z Plus security while in India. The 23-year-old singer is bringing his own ping pong table, PlayStation, soft set, washing machine, refrigerator, upholstery, wardrobe cupboard, and a massage table so he can relax backstage. Pop star Justin Bieber commands a reasonably big following in Bollywood. To the organizers' delight, the celebrity guest list is growing longer by the day as a mix of young and senior actors have already booked their seats for the May 10 event. Kangana Ranaut, Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor, Ayan Mukherjee, Karan Johar, Sajid Nadyadwala, Remo D'Souza, Rhea Kapoor and Manish Paul have confirmed their presence at the gig.